You don't know my life. Maybe Theresa does text me. How dare you? How dare you? Hey guys, welcome to today's video. If this is your first time here, hello, I am Ashley. Welcome. If it's not your first time here, well then welcome back. Today I have a Chantecaille unboxing. I'm calling it an unboxing because everything is still in the box. I haven't taken it out yet. I just opened it and I'm gonna pull the things out. I think that's what makes it an unboxing. I'm not 100% sure or clear on the difference between an unboxing and a haul. I think maybe it can be both. Like this is an unboxing and a haul. Like an unboxing is a haul, but not every haul is an unboxing. Kind of like a square and a rectangle kind of deal. I digress. This unboxing is brought to you by Theresa is Dead. No, she's not sponsoring this video. That wouldn't make much sense. But she is the reason for the season of Chantecaille because I have had Chantecaille on my list of brands I want to do a full face of for a while. And then the other weekend, I was laying in my bed and what did I see but a video pop up from Theresa talking about her favorite Chantecaille products and giving me a Chantecaille discount code. I ended up getting so many things. I literally have a full face worth of makeup in this box. My total was over $500, but with that coupon code, it was like 300 something. I can't remember how much it was. I think it was like something crazy, like 30 or 35% off. It was a deep discount, deep enough that I was like, yes, I have got to purchase these products. So we're gonna unbox. I'm gonna show you everything that is in here. Before we jump into the unboxing, if you would double and triple check that you are subscribed, it makes me so happy. And it also gives you a chance to enter my monthly giveaways. All right, this beautiful box. Starting off, we have this adorable picture of a woman named Sylvie with an elephant. And I believe that Sylvie started Chantecaille based on this little postcard that she sent us, which is so cute. And then look at this. It's a beautiful rose envelope that I'm assuming has the details of my order in it. I mean, this is fancy is what this is. Yes, it is. That is my order details, my packing list. Wow. Look how fancy that is, you guys. Oh my gosh. I love nice packaging. I really do. If I'm spending money, it better be nice. Okay, everything is so beautifully eco-friendly wrapped. It's all paper. There's no plastic in here, which I really appreciate. And it's gonna make a lot of crinkly noises, so be right back. So I guess the difference between an unboxing and a haul is a bunch of crinkly paper. All right, first up, I picked up the Chantecaille Perfect Blur Finishing Powder. There is a little hummingbird on the front and it is so cute. So this was one of Theresa's faves. She told me, and by told me, I mean she told everyone that watched that video. Like as if she texted me to let me know. You don't know my life. Maybe Theresa does text me. How dare you? How dare you? Anyway, in that video, Theresa did mention that there is talk that this may become a permanent product because I believe it is a limited edition. Okay, I finally got it open. So that is just so beautiful. Again, a little hummingbird and then the powder inside, and it's got a beautiful design pressed on it. Oh my gosh, so excited to try that. So excited to try this. I'm so excited to try all of these. This packaging is just, oh my gosh, so beautiful. I only have actually one product from Chantecaille. I have, actually I have two. I have a couple of the mermaid eye colors. So I'm really excited. Now this bad boy, so many people have talked about this. This is the Radiance Chic Cheek and Highlight Duo. I picked up Rose. I think this is the one that has, maybe it's a stingray on the front. Is it a stingray? I don't know what it is. What is this animal? Is that some kind of shark? I don't know what kind of animal this is, but I know it is a marine animal. Let me know in the comments if you know what it is, because I clearly don't remember. I think the coral one had a shark on the front, or a stingray. Again, I don't know. So I picked up the Rose. I think this is just so pretty. And I was on the fence between this one and the one that's more coral. But I don't know. I've been really like gravitating towards pinks lately on my eyes, and I feel like I've picked up several coral cheek colors over the summer, so I wanted to pick up something pink just because it was a little bit of a departure from the most recent purchases I've made. I also picked up the Real Bronze in the color Sirena. I'm just pronouncing it in Spanish. Again, probably not correct, but that's kind of my default. This is interesting. I think it's kind of caved in, and I don't know if it's supposed to be caved in. Can someone let me know, is that normal? There's 2 dimples in the lid of mine, and I don't know if that's like not supposed to be that way or if it's a design thing that I just don't know about. So again, it has the same design pressed into it as the powder. Oops, lost a little sticker. I'm really excited to try these products. They look so beautiful and I really like the packaging. I'm just not sure if something happened to mine. But hey, it doesn't seem to have affected the product inside, so all good. Next up, I got one of the Le Chrome Luxe Eye Duos. I picked up the Duo Monte Carlo. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at that shiny C. It's glittery. Oh my gosh, I love that. It's smooth. That is pretty packaging. I like nice packaging. These eyeshadows are huge. Oh my gosh, look at this. So big. So big. I'm so excited to try these. This is like a nice soft rose, and this looks kind of like a pewter. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's like I've never seen makeup before. I swear every time I unbox a package, it is like I have never seen makeup before in my life because I get so excited. All right, we're gonna pull out this guy next. This is the Chantecaille Future Skin Oil-Free Gel Foundation. I got the shade Vanilla, and I don't know, I was on the fence about which foundation to pick up. I don't know, I can't really remember how I landed on this one because it was very late at night. And as I have said before, when I am online shopping, I tend to not remember what happened. So this is, oh my gosh, really nice. Do not discard. Oh, okay, so we have to keep the little topper. I don't want to like spill foundation on myself, but I just want to see inside. Oh my gosh. I'm going to make a mess if I go inside. Oh my God. I hope this isn't too dark. I hope it's not too dark. It looks like it might be too dark. That would be my own fault. But I don't know. I used foundation, so I feel like it shouldn't be too dark. These are the thoughts I have when I'm opening packages. I guess that's the fun of an unboxing, is you get to hear my my thoughts. So this is the Le Camouflage Stylo Anti-Fatigue Corrector Pen. So this is a concealer. And I got the shade, I think I got 1. Yes, I got number 1. Wow. Ooh, it has like a little camo print on it. And it is a pen, so that means I'm gonna have to click it up, which I have some reservations about, but this is just an unboxing. This is not a review, so we'll save that for another day. And now I can't tell, I put all my boxes back in the box with the products, and that's not the best of ideas. So that's my bad, you guys, that's my bad. I also picked up a lip definer. I got the color Nuance. Ooh, pretty, pretty. This is like a rose color. Oh, very nice, very nice. I will show you a swatch of that. Wow, yes, very rosy. I'm excited to try these. These look like really nice products. I, again, have only ever tried their mermaid eyeshadow, so I'm really, really excited for all of these. I got the Brightening Eye Kajal. Oh yes, so I got a Brightening Eye Pencil because I really like Brightening Eye Pencils. I don't always love every color, and I think when I was looking through their site, I was kind of looking at it from a perspective of like having a whole face of this brand, and I felt like with everything that I was getting that I would prefer to go with like a brightening eye pencil rather than a color. So this is their Brightening Kajal Liner. I don't really know what Kajal is. I have seen that name in several of my, I can't get this open, several of the eyeshadows that I own and like. Am I crazy? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna edit this out. This is embarrassing. Ugh. There we go. Nope, it's broken now. Well, I broke that. That's my bad. But again, it was like stuck. It's fine. I think it'll be okay. Like once I just, this is a difficult product. My first impression is not great on this. I broke it, but it's okay. It looks like it's still gonna work. Very creamy, and it does look like a good brightening pencil. I wonder if you can like twist it up more though, or is that like all the product you get? This is really confusing. Can someone tell me how this works? Well, this one's a bummer, but I'm not gonna be defeated. All right, next up, I got some of the Cheek Gelée. So this is the Hydrating Gel Cream Blush. They had powder blushes. I don't know, I tend to go for creams. I don't really own any like gels, so I'm really excited to try this. And again, I got the color Vibrant is the color that I got. So it was like, it's a pink. And I don't know. I'm interested to see what it's gonna look like. Ooh. Ooh, nice. Very pretty. I think this is almost like a raspberry, I believe. I really like that. And again, a little bit different than a lot of the blushes that I've picked up over the last few months. And that's really what I was wanting to do. I didn't want to really duplicate anything because I feel like I've been buying so much, well, I'm always buying a lot of makeup, but especially this summer, I bought a lot of makeup and I just don't want to like keep repeating the same colors over and over again. So I really tried to pick up some things that were different, like going with the gel foundation. All right, I have two more products. I have the Full Brow Perfecting Gel in Tint. I got the shade Light. Let's pull this little guy out. I don't even remember what this looks like, to be honest. But I think it's just like a tinted brow gel. I would assume from the name, yes, it is a tinted brow gel. Huh. That'll be interesting to try. I like their packaging a lot. Their packaging does have a nice weight to it. So I am a fan of that. I do feel like just on the surface level, you are getting what you paid for. Like the packaging of the actual package was really nicely put together. I think it was really well packaged. I love that they give you like a really nice card for your packing list. That's so nice. I like things like that, just little touches like that that make something feel more luxury. I feel like make you feel better when you're paying a higher price point. So the last product I got is the Lip Chic, and I got the color Amour. Oh my gosh, I feel like this was a pinky color, I'm guessing, because it seems like I was definitely going with pinks, because again, that's just been like top of my mind lately, has been pink colors. I'm not sure why. Oh, this is a little bit darker than I anticipated from myself, but let's see. Okay, it's a little bit sheer, so I think that's gonna be nice actually. And I think this is gonna look really pretty. You can see it's sheer, got some shiny to it. So I think this will go really nicely over a lip pencil. I can definitely see myself, I kind of am remembering a little bit of my game plan on these, because I can definitely see this going really well with a nice liner. All right, that is it for this Chantecaille unboxing. Let me know in the comments below, do you like unboxing videos or do you prefer just like straight up hauls? I don't really, again, not really sure what the difference was, except that, you know, I actually unboxed the items and there was some surprise element because I guess I kind of forgot some of the things I ordered. I thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with me today. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, you can chat with me in the comments down below or over on Instagram. Take care of yourself. Bye.